Hey, John Kelly here from America's Home Place, Anderson, South Carolina. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the brick foundations that we have here as a standard feature. As you can see right here behind me, this is one of our perfect examples of a crawl space home with one of the bricks that you can choose. So our foundations that we have here are going to be made of a block and brick combination. Think of the block more as the structural part that holds the house up, and think of the brick as something that you get to pick specifically for your liking. So the brick that you see right now is kind of on there as a curtain or as a drape around the foundation of the house. When you come visit our showroom, there are many styles and colors of brick to choose from. We have brick that can be a rough and tumbled look, or brick with kind of a finer, straighter edge to it. Either way, that's your choice. They come in a different variety of colors, ranging from a lighter white or gray to kind of a deeper, darker red, and everything in between. And that's part of your selection process. You get to come into our color room and pick out the specific colors and selections to make this house your home the way you want it. So visit us online at americashomeplace.com and see us at the Anderson link on there. Thanks again for visiting, and we'll see you soon.